and welcome to the first episode of our Practical Research 1, only here at Teacher Jess Sin Escuela. I am Teacher Geraldine, and I will be your knowledge hunting buddy in the world of fun research. In this episode, we shall be dealing with the nature and inquiry of research. Specifically, you are going to share your experiences and knowledge as regards research, and of course, to explain the importance of research in daily life. But before we proceed, let's first activate your detective skill as you are going to perform your role as investigators. Using the given Wonderwall worksheet, you are going to write While you were watching the video, have you imagined yourself as a wise inspector? Did you enjoy solving the riddles? Do you have a similar problem searching about things you don't know? I know during the time you were very eager to satisfy your curiosity. But how did you come up with the answer? Have you consulted anyone? Or have you switched on your smartphone or computer and searched on the internet? Isn't it fun to know the answers to your questions? By doing that, you are actually doing a research. But what does research mean? And what makes it fun and important in daily life? Let's watch this.
Etymologically, research came from re and search. Re is a prefix that means again, and search is a word which means to look for. Therefore, research is to look for something. There are two things that we need to take note in this definition. First, research is not only about the discovery of something unknown. It is coming up with a new explanation of something that is known. Second, research is a process. It is a process of searching for something to solve an existing problem. Research happens a lot in a natural process, and it can be a lot of fun. It just goes something like this. Ask. It's just like our research starts with our hugot questions. This is when we wonder some things based from our observations, our assumptions, our curiosity about phenomena happening around us. And then we explore. We go hunting for the answers to our questions or to the things we are wondering about. Then we share. This is when we are able to answer our questions and we get excited to drop some knowledge to somebody else because we just figured out the answers to our questions. Remember that research is also understood as a systematic investigation or inquiry and daily collection of data, documentation of critical information, analysis, interpretation of information. From the given definition, this highlights the manner how research is conducted. It is systematic. The question is, how does it become systematic and what makes it systematic? The term systematic entails the structure. To understand the word system, just imagine your body. Are your hands located in your ears? Or is your nose located on your chin? Of course, you will reason out that your hands are located to where it should, and your nose is located in the middle of your face. The manner of how your body parts are structured and organized implies the system. Research as systematic means it follows the structure or method. Therefore, whenever collecting data, documenting information, analyzing, and interpreting information are conducted, a particular method is used. On the other hand, research can be also viewed as the formation of new knowledge and the employment of previous or existing knowledge into a new and creative way. Imagine these two scenarios. Mother giving birth to a baby and a father holding a pot. The creation of new knowledge can be compared to a mother giving birth. The mother stands for the research itself, and the baby is new knowledge. Thus, through research, new knowledge is born. On the other hand, a potter molding a pot can be parallel to the use of existing knowledge in a new, creative way. Here, the potter stands for the researcher, the clay as the existing knowledge, and the math itself is a new knowledge made creative.
Now, do not be afraid to carry out research. It is because you can make a research. Why? First, it is not new to you. You are not just fully aware that what you are doing is research, and you have been doing it many times. Research is not a demanding activity that would expose your strength. However, some particular techniques and processes are involved and needed to be carried out in conducting this activity. What you have heard from others is a piece of hopes and challenges. It is a hopes for research is not after all difficult. It is a challenge for you that needs dedication